my guy, Soju. Soju, how are you feeling?
GM.
Tell the people what the work kind of got us. Recap, where are we with LFG and how did the cloud launch go?
So I think LFG is really our way of like rallying the on-chain community around like launching tokens on-chain in a very like strong and distributed way. And what on-chain has done very well is that we are very good at launching like long-tail assets, meme coins, bonk, when stuff like that we have done very well. LFG is targeted to help these people launch on-chain, and we really want to rally the strongest asset that on-chain has, which is the community, around like launching these projects, right? So I think these projects who go off-chain, they are predominantly scared that like the chain will get too expensive, the chain might go down when they launch. And I think what we managed to do during the Jup launch is that we proved that like the chain can handle a launch of like large scale, because the Jup launch did a 900,000 address airdrop, like billions of dollars in volume, all in the first like 2 or 3 hours. So LFG is about bringing these strong projects in, convincing them that it works very well, and then helping them launch on chain. So for Sanctum, we made some progress. We managed to push LFG forward a little bit more. The issues that users have faced in the past for LFG is like botters botting up the entire curve and then instant dumping when retail buy in. My favorite thing about Sanctum is that like we sort of managed to balance this like therefore red pill or blue pill option for users, where you can buy on the market with no vesting or buy on the Alpha Vault with vesting for 180 days, and we sort of balance the on-chain, the market volume and the vault volume. And I'm looking very forward to incorporating like these learnings in the future launches. Yeah. So what's next? I think what's next for LFG? We're going to be incorporating a lot of these learnings in the deBridge launch. You can start to expect like comms and hits up about deBridge coming soon in the next 1 or 2 weeks. The key thing about us going forward is how can we rally the community around pushing LFG forward in terms of setting projects, getting the best projects in, and then setting them in the vote. And then after that, we'll kickstart LFG Round 4 with the next vote, choosing the next project that launches. So please, everyone, tell our favorite projects to apply on the LFG forum post and be part of the LFG platform if you're interested in it.
Accelerating the meta, bringing things on chain. This is what it's all about. So folks, if you know a project that does not yet have a token, or maybe you're a builder or founder yourself, go over to the Jup research forums, submit your proposal there, leave some comments, ask some questions, start to battle test those projects so we know who to start to go with here. Let me say thanks again, Soju. I'm sure we'll see you very soon, my friend.
Peace.